Welcome to the 2024 Great Lakes Beach Glass and Coastal Arts Festival. This event took place at the Bayfront Convention Center in scenic Erie, Pennsylvania. This remarkable coastal town is home to numerous outdoor venues, Presque State Park, Waldemere Amusement Park, to name a few. Watch as my family returns to this one-of-a-kind destination along the shores of Lake Erie. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support my adventures. Numerous vendors can be found throughout the event center, showcasing their incredible creations. You will find beach glass jewelry, driftwood sculptures, and picture frames, the largest piece of beach glass that was ever found in Ashtabula, Ohio, homemade chocolate and food items, historic items, and much more. We spent hours exploring each corridor within the expansive venue. It was great to meet so many talented artists sharing the same passion for beach glass and the process of collecting it. Overall, this festival was very impressive as a first-time visitor, and I cannot wait to return in the future.
That's the slag off the top because the iron impurities go to the top and it's what forms the blues and the greens.
Oh, that is so pretty.
This is one from the same bottle works, Sheffield, Pennsylvania. They switched the bottle making machine from clear to amber. So,
Look at that.
so they had to bleed it.
That is so beautiful.
Then this is some milk glass from like the little ponds containers.
Yeah.
Then this is sort of a local mystery because that company was known for making beverage containers, their bottles. Why they had decorative red slide glass that they were dumping is beyond.
It's beautiful.
Yes, beyond.
It is beautiful.
That was made. Remember you can't This was made next to
After our exhilarating afternoon, we decided to get lunch at Pier 6 Rooftop Bar and Restaurant, which was delicious. The interior of this establishment was modern and clean, featuring rooftop dining options and panoramic views of the harbor below. I got the fish and chips with the spicy seafood dip appetizer. My parents got the wood-fired margarita pizza and Black Angus burger with onion straws. To conclude this amazing fall day at the lake, we drove a few minutes down the road to Presque State Park, a must-see spot within Erie. Presque State Park is a 3,200-acre sandy peninsula that arches into Lake Erie. As Pennsylvania's only seashore, Presque offers its visitors a beautiful coastline and many recreational activities, including swimming, boating, fishing, hiking, bicycling, and inline skating. The neck of the peninsula is attached to the mainland 4 miles west of downtown Erie. The park creates Presque Bay, a wide and deep harbor for the city of Erie. The bay attracts many pleasure boats and worldwide freighters, making Erie an important Great Lakes shipping port. A national natural landmark, Presque is my favorite spot for migrating birds because of the many habitats. Presque also contains greater number of the state's endangered, threatened, and rare species than any other area of comparable size in Pennsylvania. Whether you come to enjoy the sandy beaches, study ecological diversity, or learn about the historical significance of the peninsula, there is something for everyone at Presque State Park. This is nice. Look at this.
I see something to take it home.
Yeah.